I won't touch it. Don't tip it up. Pardon? Oh yeah.
What?
Bimmer had enough?
I had pulled out enough. Yeah.
Bimmer puffed out.
Now I've got to sweep.
You sweep that area, baby, like you were before. Don't put it on your head. Because it's dirty. Because it had dirt in there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, go look. It's a video. See? It's a video. Look. See, look, that's your hand. See? Wow.
I'll see that.
Hold on. Do you want to do the pussycat? He went inside.
Talk.
Huh?
Talk.
Do chalk.
No, talk first.
What do you want me to do? I did it. Look, see? That's chalk there. Under your foot. Don't put your foot in there.
Don't put it on me.
A photo of you. Alright, hold on.